Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. So, a few more days until the end of the month for entry of May is going to be closed. All you have to do is pretty much scroll down, click on Discord, and click on announcement, click my name, and message me to enter. It's pretty easy, okay? The invite is open for you to join. Now, let's talk about SHIB. SHIBA is extraordinary at the moment, and I think that there is something good that definitely is coming up with SHIB, and I want to talk about that one very quickly. Now, we have witnessed one fake out. I remember the last time that I was making a video regarding SHIB and the fact that you had this little bit of a pattern here. So it's almost like when you are in an uptrend, bear patterns make fake outs most of the time. And when you are in a downtrend, bullish patterns, they end up making fake out. For example, you may have ascending triangle during a downtrend, so the prices may go like this, do a fake out, and then go down, right? And during an uptrend, you may have probably a descending triangle. You go down, make a fake out, and then move to the upside. So I've noticed this thing again and again, and of course, SHIB actually made a fake out, pumped to the upside, and at the moment, it's back into the safe zone. So clapping, yeah, all right. So 2717 is the price that SHIB is trading now at the moment. And what is going to happen next? Well, let's talk about it. Now that you are back above the descending triangle, it is actually possible to conclude that you're looking for SHIB to move up towards 4203. This is where you're really meant to go back to where the triangle really is if you are not meant to go to the downside anymore. That's the only logical place that I see SHIB happening, and the base is very strong. Let me tell you, the base is really strong. And when I say that the base is very strong, I won't show you the weekly time frame because SHIB has done a very good confirmation right now. So if I show you the EMAs, we are looking for a downtrend here, a sideways accumulation, a break to the upside. You moved up like this, you're coming down for the retest, and notice how SHIB has made a confirmation on the 10 EMA weekly time frame. So you did pay respect to the 10. You have made a bullish candle closing with reversal back to the upside. This is bullish harami, by the way. So you pretty much are doing everything to start another move to the upside. And if the weekly, which is the base, okay, when the base is really, really strong, then you can expect the roof to really hold, okay? So if the pillars are strong, then your house is really going to hold very good. And I think the pillars are really strong. So that's all for the video, and I'm going to see you in the next one in the office.